my transmitter. Okay, my transmitter is specifically designed for luxury cars with a high-end stereo system. You know, the high-end stereo system, they require different setup. German cars or European cars are made differently, so most of them do not have antenna. So none of these cheap FM transmitter will work. Okay, they will be full of static and noise and humming noise, and you're just gonna end up throwing them away. So don't get these. Get mine. I'm not just saying that because mine is specifically designed to work with European or German cars. They are the cars that used to cost $50,000 or $100,000. They have perfectly good sound system, but the only thing that is missing is that they do not have Bluetooth, and they will no longer work with your new phone. Cars that's about 10 years old, anywhere from 2000 to 2010. Nice cars used to be $50,000 or $100,000. Now it doesn't work because it doesn't have Bluetooth. Well, my gadget would take care of that. All you have to do is plug in my gadget into your phone, and then you'll be able to send music or stream music from your phone right through your nice car stereo without static or humming noises. Unlike all these are cheaply made. They're like $10 or $20 with shipping included. You can get them from eBay or Amazon. If you try them before, you know they don't work. Mine will work. I guarantee 100% you'll be happy with the thing or your money back. This device will allow you to play music, talk hands-free, as well as integrate GPS function, all from this device, from your phone, through your luxury car high-end stereo, without a new head unit or any modification. So you can keep your car stock. You can keep your car the way it is coming out of the factory. You can keep all your functions on your steering wheels and all the other GPS functions. You can keep everything the way exactly it is, but you'll be able to stream music from your phone through your high-end stereo. So try my gadget out, and I guarantee you will be happy. I guarantee you'll be happy with it, or you can send it back and get your money back. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye-bye.